guys, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Now this is coming from I think it's Mia and George store. It is Aroma Nature Essentials Kempin. Ooh. See, this will be a nice little stocking stuffer for the holiday season coming up. Birthdays or whatnot. Just a small gift. Gift to yourself. There we go. This is the essential oil set. Got the bottle right there. If I could get this open, I can smell it. Come on. Come on. There we go. So you get that little oil set. That right there. Get this. It says how to use directly pour into scent machine and atomizer. I don't think I have atomizer with me, so we'll just smell these. And this one. This is Paris Grill. Nile Breeze. Ooh, that smells good. This is Santa Tea. Yeah, I can smell it. It kind of smells like a Christmas tree. Like the piney. Tea Delight. This one's not too bad. Ocean. I like that one. Yeah, it does smell really good. And then the weekend, because it is a weekend. Hey. Yeah, it smells like the weekend for sure. And then definitely the last one, we're gonna smell this one. Cocoa. Cocoa. Ooh. This one smells really good. And now we have Kempin Aroma. Oh, this smells really good. This one. Kind of smells like Mr. Bubbles bubble bath. Do not drink this. Do not keep it by a fire. So be careful. But yeah, that smells amazing. I might have to buy one of those machines. But definitely check it out. The links are going to be down below. You can get these now at a low cost. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.